everybody, it's Lindsay from Organize to Save. Thank you so much for coming to check out today's video. Now, got a question for you, and let me know in the comments below. Do you hate cleaning your bathroom? I know if you're anything like me, it is just something that I've never enjoyed doing. I don't really know who does, so if you do, let me know in the comments below. But today I'm going to show you some hacks that you can use in your bathroom. But before we get into that, today's video is actually in collaboration with Faith from Faith's Attic. So over on her channel, she talks all about organizing and motherhood and cleaning. So if you like those kind of videos, make sure to check hers out after you watch this one. But she is actually going to be talking about kitchen hacks. So you get some bathroom hacks on my channel and then some kitchen hacks on hers. So make sure you check her out after this video. And if you're coming from Faith's channel, welcome. On my channel, I talk all about organizing to save your time, money, and space. So if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to subscribe below and hit that little notification bell, as you'll get notified every Wednesday when I post a new video. But let's go ahead and dive into these bathroom hacks. Now, I'm going to be talking specifically about cleaning and some organizing hacks for you guys. So the first one that I want to talk about is actually like my biggest cleaning hack that I use throughout my entire home. And that is to simplify my cleaning process. And how I do that is actually by what I am using to clean my house. So about, like 3 or 4 years ago, one of my girlfriends started selling this product called Norwex. And I was like, what is Norwex? Like, I have no idea. And if none of you have heard about it, I will leave her website down below so you can go check it out. But it's basically a non-chemical cleaning solution, which I was looking for as I was getting ready to have our first kid. But I was looking for different cleaning solutions as we had a baby. So I was wanting to make sure that she wasn't crawling on the floor and there's chemicals everywhere, or putting things in her mouth that would have harmful chemicals on it. And Norwex was the solution for me. So I will leave the website linked below so you can go check it out. But throughout the video today, you're gonna see different Norwex products that I use to clean. But what I specifically love about it is how simple it is, because it is literally as simple as a Enviro cloth and water. That's it. Like, there's other things too that they sell, but the basis of Norwex is that you can pretty much clean almost anything with the Enviro cloth and water. So if you were looking for a non-chemical solution for cleaning your home, I would highly suggest checking that out. But honestly, that's been my #1 cleaning hack, is to simplify my cleaning process by using Norwex. So instead of having you're gonna have your solution for the toilet that's different from the counters, that's different from the floors, that's different from the mirrors, before I had all of these different cleaning products that I used. Well, now it's so simplified because I'm using cloths, and for the toilet I do have a Norwex spray, but it is so simple. So highly suggest that. That is my #1 hack. The other thing with cleaning the bathroom that I like to do is keep my cleaning supplies on hand. So instead of having to always go and find the cleaning stuff that I need, I like to keep, for my shower, I have a scrubbing mitt that I use, and I keep that inside of our master shower. So that way I can literally, as I'm in there, just put on my scrubbing mitt, put some water on it, and then scrub down the showers real quick, and that's it. I can do it while I'm in the shower because I don't have to worry about chemicals getting all over my body, and it is just so simple. So hack #2 is organizing. It is to give everything a home. So when you are thinking about organizing your bathroom, or any space really, the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is clear it all out. So here you'll see that I was working in our hallway bathroom, which my daughter uses, and then also any guests that we have to come into town. But I completely reorganized the entire cabinet to make it function a lot better for our family. Once you have it all clear out, you're going to want to group it by category. So you're gonna put things together. So you're gonna put all of the bath toys together, all of your shampoos together, all of your hair products together, etc. And group things by category. And then what you might want to do additionally is start weeding things out. So let's say you have 10 bottles of, the travel shampoos, and you never use them. You don't need to keep any for guests or anything. Maybe you keep 1 or 2, but you really don't need to keep that many on hand. And then look at things like expiration dates. If you keep medications or things like that in your bathroom, we keep ours in a hall closet up high. That way my daughter can't get to them. But if you do have any medications or sunblock or anything like that, you'll want to check the expiration dates on those and pitch things that have expired. So go ahead and clear it out, group it by category, and then you're gonna want to find a home for everything. So what I ended up doing in my daughter's cabinet was I first put down contact paper in the drawers and the cabinets. I just got it from the Dollar Tree, so super practical, inexpensive, and it sticks great. But it just creates a nice clean surface for you and really brightens up the cabinet too. If you have like a dark cabinet, like in our master bathroom and our bathroom downstairs, those were really dark cupboards. So putting the nice clean contact paper below just really helped to brighten it up, and it was easier to find what I'm looking for. In the drawers, what I did was I actually had some drawer dividers, and that is what I'm using to organize some of these things that I grouped in my categories. So the first drawer, I just kind of keep that as like my daughter's drawer for her toothbrush and thermometer and things that we would need to get to easily. I just put the little drawer dividers in there, and those are actually from the Dollar Tree as well. And then an extra hack that you can do for keeping the drawer dividers in place is I just found from the Dollar Tree again, just that blue poster putty, and you simply just kind of take off a little piece, pull it a little bit so it gets tacky, and then I just put it on the bottom corners of each divider and stick it down inside the drawer. So that way when you open and shut the drawer, the caddies don't slide about. So it really helps to keep it secure in place. You're gonna have all of the different, cubbies for all of your different things. So it keeps it organized because you give everything a home. All right, so hack number 3 is to get it off those counters. Counters in bathrooms can be cluttered so quickly, whether it just be with like your hair products, your toothpaste, or even makeup. You're gonna want to clear everything off the counters. Make sure you clean them off real nicely. But what I suggest is that the things that need to stay on the counter, like for us in our master bathroom, I have like our soap dispenser and then my deodorant. So what I ended up doing, instead of just having the entire counter space open, was I have a little tray that I put on the counter, and then we can put those things on the tray. So again, it's giving it a specific home, but having a tray helps to clear the clutter and you don't have a bunch of stuff all over your surfaces. So for us, that was really beneficial just because our master bathroom is teeny tiny, so we didn't have, a bunch of extra space to just have things piled up everywhere. But we do the same thing in my daughter's bathroom. I just have a tray on the counter that has a few things that I want to have out, Q-tips and soap and things like that. But having it on the tray really helps to keep the surfaces clear. With this, you really need to be careful that you don't overload the tray. So you need to make sure that you're keeping only the necessary things out, and then the rest of it you find a home elsewhere. So number 4 is to actually utilize your walls. So put things up on the walls. In our master bathroom, again, like I said, it is teeny tiny. So we had like no countertop space. We have one little cupboard, so we keep a few things under there, but the things that we want to get to every day or easily accessible, I needed to find a spot for it. So like I needed somewhere for our toothbrushes to go, our towels to go, extra toilet paper and things like that. So what I did was I put it up on the walls. So above our toilet, we have 2 shelves that we installed, and we keep our extra towels there and toilet paper, and then the top one is just for decoration. But utilizing your wall space can really help double the space that you have in the room. So for our toothbrushes, I wanted those close to the sink. So what I ended up doing was we created a little mason jar organizer, and we each have a mason jar that we keep our toothbrush and toothpaste in. And then in the center one, we have some of the tooth flossers. And then we also put a little hook up there so we can put our hand towel. So everything is super close to the sink, but it is up off the counters, not cluttering that space. So don't forget about your walls. You can utilize those for more than just, a towel bar. Again, in our bathroom, we wanted to be able to hang multiple towels. So instead of installing a typical just towel bar, what we did was we had a piece of reclaimed wood and I put some screws on there. And now we have space for both of our towels plus an extra hook that I can use for, my Norwex cloths or put my bathrobe on there. So just really think about your space and look at your walls and see how you can utilize them. Number 5 is to get creative. So what do you mean by that, Lindsay? Get creative. Get creative with what? With your organizing. Think outside of the box. So as an example, in my daughter's bathroom, in her shower, there is no shelves, no nothing like that. So all of our shampoo bottles and all of her toys, everything like that ended up just being piled on the ledges of the shower. So what I ended up doing was I went on Amazon, and I will link this below, but I found a actual shower curtain, but it actually has mesh pockets on it so that you can store all of your shampoos, all of the toys, everything that goes in the shower in that shower curtain. And since the pockets are mesh, the water's gonna drain out of it and not collect in there. So we recently got this and I am loving it so far. It's also really nice for when we have guests over because they have an extra spot that they can put all of their stuff. I believe it comes with 8 pockets or something like that, and they're all different sizes, so you can really customize it to your needs. But how we use ours is on the bottom row, I have one that has all of my daughter's toys. So that way when she's done playing with them, we can just put them right back in there and all the water is gonna drain out. And it would actually be really nice for if you have a family that shares a bathroom and each of you use different products, because then you can each have your own little cubby in there for all of your stuff. So think outside of the box as to how you can get extra storage in your bathroom, and one is by that shower curtain. The other one is one that I've showed in a past video. I will link that in the iCards above and down below in the description. But I actually used a tackle box for all of my daughter's hair accessories. I was able to organize all of her hair accessories into different categories. So I had the clips in one cubby, the bows in another. And the thing that I love about it is that it is easy to carry around and transport. But I will leave my toddler morning routine video linked below so you can see in depth how I have that organized if you're interested. All right guys, so those are my 5 hacks. So just to go through it again, simplify your cleaning process, whether it be switching to something like Norwex or just making sure you have your cleaning supplies easy to access in your bathroom. Number 2 is to give everything a home. Number 3 is to get that stuff off your counters. Number 4, utilize your walls. And then number 5, get creative with your storage. So I hope you guys enjoyed these hacks. So if you have any additional bathroom hacks, make sure to leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear your guys' insights and different things that you might do in your home. But don't forget to go over to Faith's channel and check out all of her kitchen hacks. And thank you so much for watching, you guys, and we'll catch you guys next time.